So today we are going to talk about the duration of an IVF procedure. IVF procedure doesn't take 1 week or 1 month. Sometimes it can take 2 to 3 months or sometimes even more. Let us understand why. So the first step in IVF is a pre-treatment process where both the husband and the wife undergo certain tests, a semen analysis, tests for the eggs. Besides that, they would be on certain medications and supplements along with some dietary modifications. So this typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks. The second step is hormonal injections. So this stage takes around 2 to 3 weeks again. So you would be getting around 10 to 12 days of injections, and when the eggs are mature, the eggs would be taken out from your body in a process which is known as ovum pickup or egg retrieval. When the eggs are ready, we give you some light anesthesia, general anesthesia, and we take out your eggs from your body. So this is a short, simple process which is daycare process, and these eggs, once they are taken out of your body, they are fertilized with your husband's sperms, and the embryos are then grown for the next 3 to 5 days inside our laboratories. The next step is embryo transfer. So these embryos which were made on the day of your egg retrieval, as I told you, they are cultured for 3 to 5 days. In some cases, we transfer these embryos after 3 to 5 days. In some cases, we freeze these embryos and wait for your periods. And after that, we plan an embryo transfer. That is putting back these embryos back inside your uterus. Embryo transfer is a very small process, a very simple process which takes around 5 to 10 minutes. But after that, you need to wait for the next 2 weeks to understand whether you have been pregnant or not. So if I have to talk about the total duration of IVF, if we are going for a fresh embryo transfer, that means embryo transfer in the same cycle, then this takes around 4 to 6 weeks. In case we are going for a frozen embryo transfer, it can take any time between 2 to 3 months. So you have to remember that IVF needs patience. If you have any questions about the whole process, please feel free and get back to us. Thank you.